In this video, I'll show you how to find your DJI drone in case of an emergency landing. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. In case of any emergency landing, you need to recover valuable equipment and data and ensure it doesn't pose safety risks or violate local regulations. To begin tracking your drone, start by opening the DJI Fly app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll find the Profile option. Tap on it, and this will take you to the Profile section of the app. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Find My Drone. Click on this, and the app will begin searching for your drone. After a few moments, it will display the drone's current location on a global Google map. For instance, if your drone is nearby, you might see it located within your room or any specific place where it has landed. Once the location is visible on the map, you can take it a step further by selecting the Start Flashing and Beeping option. This feature activates both the lights and the beeping sound on your drone, making it much easier to spot, especially if it's hidden among objects or in low-light conditions. After you've successfully located your drone, you can stop the flashing and beeping simply by clicking the same button again. If you're interested in reviewing more detailed information about your drone's flights, head back to the Profile section. From there, tap on the More option, which will redirect you to the Flight Data Center. This area of the app provides comprehensive data about your drone's past flights, including the date of each flight, the distance covered, the maximum altitude reached, and the total duration of each flight. Furthermore, if you select any specific flight from the list, the app will display the exact flight route on Google Maps, showing you the path your drone took during that session. By following these steps, you can efficiently track and manage your DJI drone's location and flight history, making it easy to recover your drone even after an emergency landing. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.